Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stephen, the Development Director for Darts South Africa. Sorry, we are live here from Groblersdal, where we're busy with the Salga Impa games here for the municipalities in Limpopo. We are busy here with the darts. We have 12 teams that's competing, 2 blocks of 6. They're still playing the block format. After that, the top 2 per block will start playing the semi-finals and the finals. We've got quite a number of players. All these players are not affiliated to any associations, any clubs, any structures of Darts South Africa. They are just playing for the municipalities, and there's a lot of potential here, a lot of good players and players that's interested in playing outside the municipal structures as well. So as Darts South Africa, we're going to assist these players to get involved in their local areas with their clubs, associations, and where they stay too far in areas where there's no clubs or associations. As Darts South Africa Development Director, I will make it my mission to assist them and form new clubs and associations within those areas for these players to compete on a more regular basis than only when they play twice a year for the municipality. The games has gone good so far. We are assisting in running the event, showing them some of the rules, how to play the game properly, and everything is just going great. Everybody's enjoying the darts, so positive feedback. And as Darts South Africa, I think we're really making a good impact during these games. Let me show you around, turn the camera, and show you what is happening here in Groblersdal, where we are. Here's some of the players. Let's move around to hear some of the other players that has got a bye now. Good morning, how are you all? Hello. Let me hear, how's the darts going so far?
It's going very well, you know. We are so happy, so excited.
And how did it go yesterday?
Perfect, super perfect.
Did you enjoy it?
We did, and we won yesterday.
Who's your team from? Where are you from? Where's that? Marble Hall.
Yes.
Okay, now do you gonna play outside of the municipality? If we establish clubs there, do you want to play?
Yes.
Are you ready to play darts?
Yes. Ready.
More than ready. That's good. So you enjoying the darts?
Yes.
That's good. Hey, my main man. How did it go yesterday?
Very nice.
Are you excited to play?
Today I'm going to do miracles.
Are you going to be in the top 2? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ephraim Mukhales. They are from Marble Hall. Sikakune region. Yes. Let me move around. How's it, my man?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. How do you experience the dart so far?
Everything is fine. We played well, we are enjoying our game, and we are still going to enjoy our game forever.
Okay, and tell me, outside of the municipality, would you be interested in playing for your local club, for your in the area?
Of course, we want to invite you to come so that we establish a Dutch team and we will compete everywhere.
Where are you?
We are from Makuritama municipality in Jenfest.
Where?
Here in Ishkukur. Makuritama municipality in Jenfest, here in Ishkukur.
Oh, in Jenfest. Oh, that's good. Yes, we definitely need to talk. I send my number around so that we must start clubs in your areas.
I'm happy about that. Thank you very much.
That's good. Yeah, they are still playing. See here some of the players. I'm just speaking to the players who's not playing currently. Good morning. How's it going? How do you enjoy the dart so far?
Very nice.
Are you winning? Are we gonna see more of you playing? More and more.
And we love that.
Where are you from? From which area? Oh, Great Giani. Yes, that's
Brother Piani.
oh, that's good. good. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, people are excited to be part of darts. How are you, my man?
I'm fine, and yourself?
Good. Are you winning?
Yes, we are.
Are you winning? Are you ready for it? You are ready. This is the vibe down here at Groblersdal, where we are at the darts. Good morning, good morning. Polokwane looking smart here with the track suits and everything. I hope they can play as good darts as they look. Hello, hello, hello. How's the darts? How's the darts going? Are you enjoying the darts? Yes, good. From where are you? Elias Botsaledi. So this is the darts vibe down here at Groblersdal, ladies and gentlemen. Darts South Africa being part of this event, running the event, and yeah, quite a nice event to be part of. A lot of players with potential for Darts South Africa. We can grow in the Limpopo province. There's literally all the areas in Limpopo that's here and that's interested in playing darts, that's not connected to Darts South Africa or any darts clubs. So we as Darts South Africa are going to make it our mission to ensure that these players get involved into their local structures, even establishing clubs on, for them in the areas to enjoy the game of darts.